If you're wondering how long it takes for casual dating to turn into an exclusive relationship, there is no one-size-fits-all rule. It depends on how often you see each other and how intense the relationship is. If you date someone once a week, you'll get to know them faster than if you date once a month. Generally, it takes around 1 to 3 months for most couples to become exclusive, but every couple is different. If you've been dating for a week or two and haven't had the exclusivity talk yet, don't worry. It's perfectly fine to make it official earlier if you're both on board. On the other hand, if it has been more than 4 to 6 months without any commitment, it may be a red flag. Signs that you're ready for a relationship include talking about the future together, meeting each other's friends, having intimate and meaningful conversations, being emotionally available, and not being able to picture yourself with anyone else. When you're ready to have the conversation about making it official, do it face to face when you're both happy and calm. You can ask if you can have a conversation about your relationship and where it's going, or simply ask if they want to be your boyfriend or girlfriend. If they're on board with being a couple, define the relationship to ensure that you're both on the same page.